my name is Catherine Harwood, and I go to Walla Walla University. I'm from Washington State, and I'm here in Spain to learn Spanish.
Hello, my name is Hunter Cowan. I go to Union College, and I am coming here to Sagunto, Spain.
Hello, my name is Katie Krofchek. I come from Andrews University in Michigan, and I'm here to learn Spanish.
Hi, my name is William Graves. I'm from Walla Walla University, and I'm a communications major.
I really wanted to learn Spanish because I'm interested in going into law, and there are a lot of people who speak Spanish who need help with law, so I'm hoping to learn enough Spanish to be able to use it for work.
I'm studying Spanish because I have family who only speak Spanish, so it's a good opportunity for me to be able to communicate with them. I'm doing computer science with a minor in engineering. I feel like Spanish is useful for every major and minor because so many people speak different languages, and it's always good to be able to communicate with everyone.
So far, I have absolutely loved my experience. The atmosphere on campus is amazing. It's like I'm on a massive campus with a lot of people. Even though there aren't that many people here, it feels full. It feels like there are lots of people here.
Like a benefit from the terribleness of 2020, but I'm really glad that I'm in such a small class and get such individual time with my teachers. It's been such a benefit to learn Spanish one-on-one, and I think it's been super beneficial.
It has a very friendly environment. That's something that I probably noticed right off the bat, especially compared to at regular university where there's more people and everyone's kind of doing their own thing. It's more goal-oriented, but the culture here is very warm and friendly, and it's something that I didn't realize was different about the United States until I came here.
One of my favorite things about this school is the location, because it's located very close to the beach. After you finish class and lunch around like 2 o'clock, you can ask a teacher or get a cab and just take a bike and you can go visit the beach, and it's a beautiful beach. It's always sunny here.
I feel at home. I'm really excited to be here. The spiritual life on campus is really exciting. People are excited to praise God, and we have worship every night.
I feel like I have learned, some more words, and I think that my speaking has become a little smoother.
My favorite class here is definitely folklore because you learn a lot about the Spanish culture and stuff, and I feel like it's very fun to learn new things.
Well, I really like flamenco, but that's not a Spanish learning class. So I would say conversation.
Yeah, it's kind of up to me how much I want to practice because everyone is very willing to talk with me and stuff like that, so it's pretty easy to find people to talk to.
On the weekends, we like to go out and travel. Recently, we took a trip to Valencia and we ate paella for the first time, which was an unforgettable experience.
Last Friday, we took a trip to a beach further south. We saw a lot of cool views there.
Oh, the north of Spain was so beautiful. Bilbao was a little chilly, but I really liked it. There was lots of art and life, food, people. The entire experience was really nice.
The COVID situation here isn't bad. I feel like it's like it is in the States. You have to wear your mask to school and outside. The masks aren't really that big of a problem here. They gave us masks that have clear around your mouth so you can see people talking and read their lips, which is very helpful when you're trying to speak.
In Sagunto, I really love waking up and then seeing a castle from my window every single day. And that's really cool for me.
Because we're so close to the airport from here, we can take weekend trips to places like Amsterdam. So recently we took a trip to Amsterdam, which was really exciting.
I was deciding between Argentina and Spain, but I had a pretty good influence to go here to Spain, and I'm really glad I made that decision. It's been a lot of fun, and the sights are something I would never have seen anywhere else in the world.
Oh. Can you guys stop?
I like the dormitories. I feel like they're like most dormitories in college. You have your own room and it's very nice. and you have a community bathroom, which is, hey, it's nice, don't have to clean it yourself.